Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walk around of this 2018 Sea Pro 208 DLX. This boat is powered by a Mercury 115 4-stroke. Also has a fiberglass swim step with stainless steel ladder. Coming into the boat, on the rear of the boat, you're going to have dual live wells. Also flip up seats with a backrest. In the center you're going to have a release well. Coming to the helm, you're going to have a Polk stereo with Bluetooth. Coming forward, you're going to have 3 fish boxes, separate anchor locker, and also a forward seat. This concludes the 2018 Sea Pro 208 DLX. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.